Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Flatbridge, the oldest bridge not only in Jamaica but the English speaking Caribbean. And we're going to talk about a major contractor coming to Jamaica to work on bridges. And when you think of these major contractors, you're probably thinking of a Chinese contractor, but it's not. It's Legion Aviation, a massive UK contractor that's coming to Jamaica to work on these bridges. Now, the program is called the Accelerated Bridge Program, and they're going to work on 55 bridges across the island. 55 bridges. And Legion Aviation is one of the largest contractors in the UK. Now, we are going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Now, if this name, Legion Aviation and Infrastructure, sounds familiar, it's because they are the ones that extended the runway at the Sangster International Airport. And they've done other runway work in Jamaica. They are a massive company known for bridges and building not only runways but airports. The Accelerated Bridge Program is a significant infrastructure initiative launched by the Government of Jamaica in partnership with the United Kingdom. This program aims to replace and upgrade approximately 55 bridges across the island, addressing the challenges posed by aging infrastructure and enhancing connectivity, public safety, and economic growth. The Accelerated Bridge Program is a collaborative effort between the Government of Jamaica and the UK, with funding provided by UK Export Finance. The program focuses on the installation and upgrading of bridges in strategic areas, particularly in rural communities, where outdated and climate-affected bridges have hindered transportation and development. Acro Global Limited, a UK-based company specializing in the design and supply of modular bridge systems, Acro will provide the new modular bridges for the program. Legion Aviation and Infrastructure Limited, a civil engineering contractor responsible for the installation and construction of the bridges. Legion brings extensive experience in infrastructure projects and will lead the execution of the program. The NAA will oversee the implementation of the program, ensuring technical and structural integrity and coordinating with local stakeholders. The Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation will act as the buyer and primary project overseer, ensuring alignment with national development goals. And the Ministry of Finance and Public Service is responsible for securing funding and managing financial aspects of the program. The Accelerated Bridge Program is a priority project within the government-to-government framework of cooperation with UK Export Finance. It aims to enhance connectivity in underserved areas, reduce travel times, boost economic activity, and provide safer crossings for residents. By focusing on durable, high-quality, climate-resilient infrastructure, the program supports sustainable economic growth and poverty alleviation. The program is designed to be efficient and cost-effective with a streamlined approach to procurement and construction. The use of modular bridge systems allows for quicker installation and minimal disruption to communities. The expected outcomes include improved transportation networks, increased access to services, and enhanced resilience to climate-related events. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Now, if it's one thing Jamaica has, it's a lot of old bridges that need fixing. So this is an excellent program, and we will keep you guys updated on this development and show you the actual bridges being repaired when the time comes. Alright guys, so let us know what you think about another UK giant coming to Jamaica in Legion Aviation and Infrastructure. Alright guys, have a good day.